Okay, in this video, we are going to have a look at a topic related to the combination with the repetition. It will be the question 3 of this week's workshop. So, question 3, and you are supposed to choose 3 types, P, R, W. So P is like pineapple, R is rock melon, and W stands for the watermelon. And you're supposed to choose three different fruits. Okay, 3 different fruits in your plate. So we can do this. So obviously you might say that it's 3 choose 3, which is 1, but it can't happen like this because repetition is allowed in this scenario. So, for example, 3 of them can be from pineapple, 1 of them here, 2 of them from rock melon, and the other scenarios can be like this, and so on. So we see that since the repetition is not banned, so it's not like choosing this one, which will be equal to this one. It's unordered. So definitely this one is right. But the formula for this one is n plus k minus 1. So it comes for k minus 1. So it will be 3 plus 3 types plus choosing k of that, 3 minus 1, and choose 3 minus 1, which will be 5 choose 2. But it's okay if you want to memorize the formula, but let's understand this formula properly, which is a little bit tricky topic. And I think I doubt if you could understand, if you could find something better on the internet. And you see that, so first of all, you've got n types here, and you want to choose k of that. And the repetition is allowed. So let's copy this one here. And from here, this scenario, you can continue this table. And you can see that if you continue this table, you will get 10 of that. But let's see, actually, from 5 choose 2. So 5 choose 2 is equal to 5 times 4 divided by 2, which is 10. So that's why the answer of this, the number of the rows will be, at the end of the day, it will be 10. Now here, let's understand this formula better. So we know that these are the dividers, these dividers here. Okay, P, pineapple, rock melon, watermelon is here. So it's like choosing here. And then we can have this one. Then we can have here, here, and here. In fact, you see that if you consider the dividers here, this divider and this divider, and the number of the food or fruits that you want to choose are here. So in total, you have 5 slots. So the dividers and the number of the things that you want to choose from some number of the types of fruits or food, it's from that. So 5 of this here. So one slot, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So you will choose, you have 5 slots for sure. And from here, it's our task to choose these 2 dividers here. So that's why it comes for this one here. Another example is this. So we've got 6 types of tea. Okay, T1, T2 until T6. And if we want to, we are supposed to choose like 3 of that, 3 types of tea for ourselves. So then definitely the answer is not 6, choose 3. The answer is not 3. So that actually the dividers will help us to understand. Maybe 2 of this and 1 this and the rest nothing. And we can go through for this one is as the same as before. So it will be actually 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 things that we want to choose, and the number of the dividers 1, 2, and we've got 6, and definitely we have 5 dividers. So 3 plus 5 and 3 here, or 3 plus 5, 5 here. So it will give me the same answer.